friends, thank you so much for joining today. I'm going to show you how we make our veggie pizza, and also I'm going to make a Mexican style pizza. So my veggie pizza, I'm going to use this flatbread from Aldi's. I'm going to have some bell peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, and some roasted garlic today. I'm going to use some marinara sauce with oregano and some artichoke hearts. And I'm going to dice up some onions on top of that. For my Mexican pizza, I'm going to use some hard shells, some black beans from yesterday's taco, some refried beans that I made today. I'm going to also use cilantro and some of the garlic, and I also got some corn chips for that. And then some spinach to go on both of the pizzas. So let's start with the taco.
Right here, I'm just laying out the hard shells on the cookie sheet. I'm going to be adding the refried beans on top of those now, and how I made my refried beans is a can of pinto. I rinsed it and drained it, and then I added some garlic powder, garlic salt, some paprika, and cayenne pepper. And I added a little bit of water, just enough for the bottom of the pan, and then added about less than a tablespoon of vegetables. And all you have to do is cook it on the stove on medium heat, and then I just smashed it in the pan to make it like a refried bean texture. You can add any type of topping you guys want, any vegetables. I added a little bit of spinach on some bell peppers and some tomatoes, and I'm also going to add a little bit of jalapenos on them, and then I added the corn chips on top of that, and I used a little bit of the black beans. The marinara sauce I just added the cayenne Mrs. Dash. I said in the beginning oregano, I was wrong. Try not to do too much marinara sauce on your pizza, it gets it really smushy. I don't know about you, but some days after a long day of school or work or just even cleaning up the house, I like to just make this type of pizza because it's quick and easy. It's not that messy, and it's really delicious. You guys can always add whatever type of vegetables you guys like onto this. That's one of the cool things about having a plant-based. You can even use vegan cheeses. My family doesn't like that, so we don't add that on here. You could also add nutritional yeast So now that these are ready for the oven, I put the oven on at 400 degrees and I'm going to bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on my pizza because they will cook really fast. And since it's vegetables, you don't have to overcook it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please share, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys tried this pizza, please let me know in the comments. I would like to hear from you guys.